Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Xray Donut SMP easy method. First, find a trusted server running the Xray Donut SMP mod and read its rules. Next, download the correct client mod and resource pack the server specifies, then install them into your game folder. Be sure to back up your worlds and disable conflicting mods before launching. Finally, join the server, verify your mod loads, and follow any server setup prompts to start exploring safely. To install the required mod, find the version the server specifies and download it from a trustworthy source. Move the mod file into your game mods folder and open the game launcher, selecting the profile that supports mods. Enable the mod within the launcher and restart the game to ensure changes apply. Launch into a test world to confirm the mod loads without errors before joining the live server to prevent interruptions or bans. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel in small ways. Quick recommendation: the meal prep containers I use are leak-proof and make snack runs and inventory organization way easier. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want to pick them up. Thanks for the support and for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When joining a new Xray Donut SMP server, carefully follow the server guide to handle whitelist and verification steps. Use the in-game setup commands provided to claim land or link your account to starter kits. If the server requires additional permissions or roles, politely request assistance from staff or trusted players. Testing features in a safe area first prevents accidental rule breaks and helps you learn the server workflow quickly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.